Guys, so today I am in Ocho Rios at the Anon Hotel. So this is a nice little get together for my family. Today is my sister's birthday and we decided to, come out of town and chill as a family. So this is the scenery. So you guys see, this is a nice place that you can come and chill for the day. They have a beach down there and the hotel is over there, the Anon Hotel. Food is available on the property, but on the other side of the property they allow you to bring in food. So if you guys want, this side is more reasonable than over to the Anon entrance. So you would come to the entrance for the beach and I think they charge $700 for adults and $350 for kids under the age of 12. So walking along the stretch, you will see the nice beach on the left hand side right here, and down the bottom down there, I'll go down there further down, you will see they have a river. So this is a nice little chill spot for you and your family. So make sure that you check out Anon Hotel and guys, let me explore this place. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of people on this property here, and it goes straight back down to our next section. So we're going to look on the river to see how it looks. I think it's over there, so they do the rafting. So we're going up the river. We're going on that. We're going on that. We are go funny. Feels like a pedicure, guys. Deep over there. for you, sis. Make sure so you come and try out all these activities that they have. So next time when I come back to Ochi, I'm definitely gonna do the tubing because that seems very fun. Yeah.
What is it?
So today is one thing, tomorrow is the next thing. So we had fun and we decided to leave early. To come to Ochi on my sister's birthday and spend the day as a family.